Pan-seared lamb chops with orange garlic glaze. Amazing taste and unique combination of chops with orange juice. Don't miss any part. Mix black pepper and salt and rub it onto the lamb chops. Let it marinate for at least 10 hours. Heat a pan or pot with wall over low flame. Add the marinated lamb chops. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it and cook on low flame. Flip occasionally. Remove the cooked lamb chops from the pan. Add garlic cloves and stir until fragrant. Add baby carrots and spring onions. Stir until they're slightly tender. Add fresh coriander leaves. Pour in the juice of 3 oranges, stirring continuously. Add orange zest and your desired spices, stirring well. Add the cooked lamb chops back into the pan. Mix everything together for 4 to 5 minutes. You can add black pepper or red chili. Garnish with coriander and green onions and serve hot. Serve it with rice or naan. If you like this recipe, let me know in comments section. Thanks for watching.